Okay, hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the Google Sheet that we're going to be using when we're going out and looking for leads. Now, this is not very complicated. I'm going to share my screen with you right now. Now, when you see this, we may have added a couple more columns to it, but it's going to be more or less the same thing. And so what you see here is you're going to see a couple columns. Now, in the case of Clickmill, we feel passionate and we are going to be going after Christian schools and in the United States. Now, you'll see here we have school names. So as we look around on the internet and we reach out to schools, we're going to look up the school. We're going to, put in the school name, and then we're going to put in the zip code we found that school at. Then we're going to go and put the URL of that school's website. Then we're going to just say whether or not a video was sent out to that school. So we might just say, Brett sent the video, and then the name of the contact that we sent the video to at that school. And I'm name of contact, and we'll probably do contact email as well. And that way, in the future, maybe we get enough of these people who are very interested, or we get something else that we can really bless them with. And, for example, maybe we create an AI tool that helps them to do something really fast, and we want to bless them and give them more value. Well, super cool. And that might be a great way to get on their radar as well. And you can kind of see the best way to get on someone's radar is by blessing them and giving them value. This is what we see in the New Testament with Jesus. He meets a need, and then he calls them and he says, here's fish, follow me and I'll make you fishers of men. We're talking about physical water with the woman at the well. Well, if you knew who I was, you'd ask me, right? He's calling her then to ask, you'd ask me for living water, and I would give you water that never runs dry. So he's always meeting the need they know they have, and then he is calling them to action and asking him to do something. So we go out, we meet a need, and then we call them to action. And this is exactly the process of the video. You go to their website. We're going to fill out the information here in the sheet so we know who we're talking to. And then we're going to call them back to book a call or call them to action. So this is the sheet. And if you're here, if you're doing your own out for your own business in whatever country you're in, make your own sheet. This is very easy. You probably already know how to do this. If not, and you're working here with Clickmill and you're interning and all of this, definitely use our sheet. We'll get you access to this. And that is it. And in the next video, we're going to look at how to actually go out and find the lead that we want to go after. All right, we'll see you there.